So if we keep Lalu, you want to change her name or leave it Lalu?
She is my Lalu.
I think they were ready. You didn't?
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Bambi, get off the ice.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they'll have their first pass.
Yeah. You guys like this stuff.
Yeah, except for nose. You're not supposed to snort it. Come on, Oliver.
Oh yeah, Oliver eating that up.
Well, so far, Jamie gets the Smart Award. She stood in it. Lulu's doing pretty good.